wonderful people. Thank you so much for joining us in today's live stream. For those who don't know who I am, my name is Guna. So I've been training for almost 4 years now. Not almost, already 4 years now. And what I do in my live streams, especially my YouTube page, is I share with you guys as much information based on what I believe is happening in the market, essentially price action, in other words, price action, and any trading opportunities that I personally am anticipating to take. If that sounds interesting, guys, sit back, relax, and let's get right into today's session. So first off, starting off, I want to update you guys yesterday about ETH, whereby I was anticipating for a buying opportunity. Did that buying opportunity happen? No, guys, it did not. So ETH actually made a move towards the downside. Actually, there is a very interesting topic that I would like to highlight today also to you guys. Okay, sorry guys. Every time there's some kind of lag happening. My computer does not has this issue, but recently, I'm not sure if there's an update with OBS or anything because I'm using OBS. Uh, there is some form of lag, so please, I do apologize, guys. I will find a way how to fix this. I'll find a workaround. So bear with me for a while. This also highlights a potential, not potential, how to say, uh, mind opening session pertaining to a topic which we spoke about yesterday, if you guys remember. Lah. So those topic is actually pertaining to BTC movement. So remember I said that usually, not always, we cannot use this word always, but if BTC shows strong indications whereby he wants to move towards the upside, usually other cryptocurrency pairs also tend to move in a bullish momentum. But this does not mean that if BTC is bullish, everybody else will be bullish. If BTC is bearish, everybody else will be bearish. No, we cannot use this sense to trade. And ETH has a wonderful example for that, which I will share with you guys right now. Okay, first off, starting, this is where we were waiting for potential entry model. Remember, I said we wait for reaction, but after price came to this certain level, I saw a very tiny form of reaction, and then we start to see bears kick in and violated this zone. This is why I did not enter anything for ETH yesterday, even though I was mostly focusing on ETH. However, remember I said this yesterday, right? Okay, market move down, right? Okay, look for BTC. This was yesterday. Yes, market kind of moved down, but not during New York session. Okay, New York session we will consider consolidating. We did make a very small move down, then we move up. How I say consolidating? You see, if I put a brief middle line here, price started off here, came down, and then come back again here. Basically, we inside of the same range, roughly in the same range. So we didn't really move up, didn't really move down. After that, yes, we did make a move towards the downside. However, overall, you see, we did went to the one of the target points which we highlighted yesterday for potential buying opportunity. Of course, the entry for the buying opportunity did not happen yesterday. It happened only today. All right, only today. Where is the potential entry opportunity? Can any of you guys guess? This is Asia. This is London. This is New York. If you guys were to guess lah, it's a bit obvious, okay? But the actual proper entry opportunity is during pre-New York session. So which is here. Okay, there is an entry opportunity here based on my trading strategy. If you guys would like to learn that, I do have my own personal 6-week course whereby like all of this analysis, right, I shared with you guys yesterday. You can see the live stream that this is the target which I'm anticipating price to move to, why I think that way, okay, how I get my bias, what is my entry strategy, when do I choose to stay away from the market, when do I choose to actually enter the market, what am I actually looking for. All of these things I actually share with you guys through my 6 weeks course. You don't have to have any prior, how to say, knowledge or experience in the trading space in order to learn my program, because it's made in the sense whereby even if you're total newbie, okay, really no idea what candles are also, within 6 weeks time, how I analyze the market, how I predict the market will move in a certain direction of bias, you'll be able to do the exact same thing. So if you guys are interested to find out more details about that, I do have my links in the description below, where you can contact me personally either through my WhatsApp or you can reach out to my Instagram. You can send me a DM there. just to find out more details about the course, I'll be more than happy to speak with you. So I'm gonna get right into this. I'm back into this. Can you see? BTC actually overall made a move towards the upside. However, ETH was more strongly and adamant for a move towards the downside. We never really made a move up. Remember, we say if we put a line, okay, this was price above. Okay, everything above here was the initially like yesterday's price action for Asia and London, and then price came below, very low, and now we just in the same level. See, we came below, and we still considered below the line. We didn't move up. BTC move up. This is why this is a very good example to show you guys live that if BTC going up, it is just something to put at the back of your head. There is a possibility whereby these people who are interested to invest in other crypto space currencies, for example, ETH, Dogecoin, Solana, they also may be interested because of the confidence level in the market. That's it. That is it. Nothing more. It's not something you should use to trade. Oh, BTC going up. Okay, let's put buy for ETH. Let's put buy for Dogecoin. Let's put buy for Solana. That's betting, guys. Gambling already. Price action will tell you when it's ready. See, this is why I say watch reaction. Because the reaction was more bearish momentum, I did not enter ETH. I did not enter BTC also, even though I shared with you guys yesterday. You can watch the live stream yesterday. Everything I pre-record, not pre-record. I say everything to you guys before the move happens on a purpose because I want to show you guys how you can actually look at the market and learn for yourself. Okay, I also personally have a trouble live streaming if I want to trade. I tried it before. I can do it if I don't speak because when I'm trading, it's been years already. I always trade alone in my house now, obviously, and then I don't really talk or anything. All of the thinking process happens here, so I'm not good at multitasking yet. But I did set an end goal for me, whereby I want to start doing live trading sessions with you guys. I really want to do that, and that will happen. I am training. Trust me, I am training. Sometimes my wife wonder who am I speaking with inside of the room. I basically when I'm trading, I will speak out loud, basically practicing lah. What am I seeing? Why am I entering? And so far, it's going good. To be honest, it's going good so far. So you guys can be looking forward to potential live trading sessions lah with me. Okay, that will happen. I am training. I just don't want to simply try it out straight away, whereby I'm not able to give you guys as much information live. Okay, because all of my targets, so predictions that I give you guys, so I don't simply give like I told you. Really, something that I believe in, what I can see in price action. That is what I tell you. For BTC, I told you guys today there might be an opportunity, not yesterday. That is what exactly happened. Today was the opportunity, not Asia. Pre New York was the opportunity to find an entry opportunity lah. Basically, buying opportunity for a potential move towards the upside. If you guys are wondering where is that entry opportunity, here. Hold on, higher a bit here. So it's either during Asia or pre New York. Of course, pre New York is better because why? During Asia session, we are not seeing the reaction we would like to see, and also there isn't any footprints of bulls kicking in the market. But pre New York session, there was footprints. Okay, you can see so there's a certain form of sweep happening, which is very good indicator. That is why it is a best opportunity lah when we see this kind of reactions. Okay. Yeah, so this is the zone line. In case you guys are wondering lah, where would be the entry opportunity? I know you just say can enter where the entry opportunity. If you guys had this question, that's the entry opportunity. Okay. But yeah, where was I again? Yeah. So that's why I do my live streams. Is I share with you guys what I believe might be happening in the market, so you can sit and focus on your own. You can just use my bias as a foundation. That's all. Don't use it as 100%. Like I said, I also am just predicting the markets like you are. I just use my experience and based on how many times I've lost in the past. I still lose also sometimes nowadays also, but because of my risk to reward management, I'm always profitable by the end of the week. That's how I stay afloat lah. Okay, it's always everything related to risk reward. It's not about losing. It's not about losing. It's about when you lose. Okay, how do you get that back? There is a way how to do it. It's basically it's just risk management. Very, very disciplined risk management. And also only taking trades based on your SOP. Very difficult thing for me to learn. Over the years, lah, I mean. Now, of course, okay. Over the years. Okay. Another thing to share about Solana. Same thing, guys. You see. Solana also see we made a move towards the upside today. All right. Asia session was very strong. You see, pre New York session we kicked in again. Please, even though they are very similar movements with BTC, do not take trades for buy for Solana because BTC say is moving up. Don't do this, guys. Okay, I'm showing you examples already. For ETH, you see that didn't happen. Okay, we are still moving down. See Dogecoin? That didn't happen. See, we're still moving down. Okay, please remember, if one cryptocurrency say is going up, doesn't matter is a major one or not, do not use that same bias for other cryptocurrencies. Just focus on the one that is telling you is going up. If BTC is saying going up, great, focus on BTC. Okay, well, the reason why I didn't enter, two reasons. Because I was solely focusing on ETH, I was waiting to see any reaction. The moment I saw this break yesterday, see this was 11 o'clock, I checked around close to 12. I didn't check at 11:15. I saw it's already moving all the way towards the downside. I knew already this is not the reaction I like to see, especially it goes above the zone already. So I forgot about it. Also, BTC, I know I told you guys yesterday that today we'll have an opportunity. Yes, there was an opportunity. Not will, potentially they will have an opportunity. But I went dating with my wife today to TRX, Jalan Jalan. So yeah, I missed out on this opportunity, but it's okay. If we can find this opportunity, guys, confirm we can find more, right? Okay, so that's in a nutshell for crypto space for you guys. Right now we can see we are moving towards the upside, but I didn't see anything very significant that I can share with you guys to potentially focus on. You guys know me. I don't simply give out potential entry opportunities just for the sake of doing live stream. If I see something clear, if I understand the directional bias, then I will say focus on buys, focus on sells. Otherwise, I won't give you guys anything. Same thing for crypto space. I didn't see anything today. Okay, so I won't be giving you guys any potential buying or selling opportunities for crypto space, but I will leave you guys with this. Just remember for Dogecoin and also ETH. Yeah. Okay, we are currently nearby a very powerful form of key level. Okay, the only difference is Dogecoin is supporting the key level is kind of supporting price as we speak. Vice versa, ETH is within the key level as we speak. So Dogecoin is looking more promising for a potential move towards the upside. Okay, but I cannot really see clearly a form of entry. I cannot see that. Okay, I don't want to give you guys targets because, like I said, I don't want to tell you guys to focus on buy and sells. But there are liquidity ranges within this level. If there is a buying opportunity, personally, I would focus for this high. Okay, yeah, this high. I will focus on this high. So 21981 personally lah. That would be me if I want to focus on buying opportunities. But am I going to do that? Definitely no. Because why? The price action wise is not clear enough for me as of now. That may change later. We don't know. But if I do take a trade, I will share it on my Instagram story. Later, I will share also my day today. So if you guys want to keep up to date with my day, I will share it in my Instagram story. So let's go into a forex space today. All right. Okay, so let's talk about AUDUSD first. Yesterday, remember, I was anticipating for this ultimate target, which we highlighted last week to be taken out. See how close by price came. New York session did nothing. We basically consolidated. Asia session came roughly the same level of New York high. Then we dropped, guys. All the way down. So am I focusing on this ultimate target? Not really at the moment. Let me remove all these targets. This one all taken out already. It's not important now. Okay, this zone is not important because why? Price actually didn't give us any opportunity to enter, which is a good thing. That is why it's good to understand how to draw your zones properly. See, if price come inside and show me bulls, I might have taken a buying opportunity considering we were quite close. But of course, I did share with you guys yesterday. It also depends on my risk to reward. If this was the entry, okay, then okay, because it's more than 1 to 1. Fine. But if the entry was higher, I told you guys I will sit this one out. So the price didn't really come inside the zone also lah. All of New York session didn't come. Let's remove this zone. And as of now, we can see price is moving towards the downside. However, I did analyze a little bit based on price action, but more for gold. So I won't be sharing anything for ADUSD, but I'll be sharing with you guys for gold. Huh? So based on gold, there is a potential buying opportunity. Okay, there is. Definitely there is. This is the target that I shared with you guys yesterday. If you remember, this is the sessions that we were speaking about yesterday. London and then New York session. Okay, pre-New York, all we were speaking yesterday. New York session overall was consolidating, and I told you guys this is a target we can potentially be aiming for. Today, during Asia session, market took out the target already, which is congratulations lah to those that have entered the market. I didn't, like I said, I went out dating with my wife today. So I didn't focus on the market. I didn't really take any trades today yet. That may change later, depending on what I see. So right now, guys, okay, uh, this is actually so far looking quite good lah for potential buying opportunity. However, remember the criteria that I shared with you guys yesterday? Trade, right? Try not to take any trades around 11 like this lah. Because usually when the market hits 12, okay, usually lah, you will start to see something else happen in the market. So for example, you see this move up? Move up. See, this is 12, okay? Okay? See, it start to slow down. See, we go up, start to go down. Okay, start to go up, start to go down. 12 o'clock. Okay, we got another one. Okay. Try to see. Not always, but something I realized lah. Okay, see, okay, this one is okay so far. So you see this one, we move up. Okay. Okay, this is okay, but you see the candles. Can you see how powerful, powerful, powerful? Look at this, 12 o'clock. Smaller, 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 smaller. Can you see? Very, very, very small candles. Something like, I don't know what. Personally, I don't know. Okay, look at this. Okay. 12 o'clock. Okay, this one is quite not bad. See, this one quite strong. After that, all very small, 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 small candles. This is not something if you're not strong enough right in your stomach to hold that feeling, uncomfortable feeling that you will get in trading because you can see the drawdown things, all right. Don't enter lah. Don't enter lah. Now it's already 10:30. I might not enter today, but there may be an opportunity tomorrow for me to potentially enter for gold because I just will wait for price to come inside the zone and see for what, guys. Our magic word, reaction. Once I see potential reaction, once I see potential bulls kicking in the market, and other of my confluence also playing out, then I will focus on buying opportunities. If you guys want to know where is the target now we can aim for, okay, I'll be very honest, very difficult. Why? We are very close by to make another all-time high again for gold. So essentially, this is the main target that we can aim for, which I think going to be hit already lah. So we might be making a new high for gold. So whenever we make a new high, personally, I don't like to trade because I don't know, I don't have enough data to understand the possibility of where price may be heading to next. Because we're an all-time high already. When we're an all-time high, think of it like, okay, you're in a rocket. Okay, you're in a rocket ship lah, not rocket. You're going to explode. You're in a rocket, you're going to lift off. Okay, basically you have enough fuel, but they never tell you how much of fuel you have. But you know the rocket will go up. That's the directional bias of a rocket, right? Because fire comes from below. Hi teacher, hello, thank you for joining the live stream. Seems like gold is collecting some bullets to fly high. Yeah, I think we'll be making a new high lah today. I believe we'll be making a new high today. So good you so you asked this. It's related to my concept right now. So remember, you're in a rocket ship. They give you fuel, but they never tell you how much of fuel. But you know, maybe you need, I don't know, how much of gallons or liters of fuel you need in order to reach the moon. Let's say like you need 100 gallons. I don't even know if that's enough. Maybe you need a lot more. Let's say like 100 gallons of fuel to reach the moon. You know this. But maybe they give you, I don't know, an what's the word? Suddenly I can't think of words right now. Maybe I'm getting old. But a number lah, but they never tell you. Maybe it's 50, half of that. Maybe it's 20, even worse. Maybe it's 60, but they never tell you. But you know your direction is going towards the upside. But the thing is, you don't know how high you can reach. You don't know if you can reach the moon or not. Basically, the target you have is depending on how much fuel you have. If they give you more fuel, let's say for example 100 to reach the moon, let's say they give you 200, maybe you can reach even further. But you don't have a target. Your target is depending on how much fuel you have, which also you don't know. Who will know how much fuel do the rocket has? Market makers. They know because they move the markets, right? So that is why personally I tend to stay away whenever price comes into all-time high. Because I don't know how much fuel we have for this potential rocket ship to move towards the upside. I like to understand a potential target. For example, let's say if the same understanding that I share with you guys, we are spacemen, right? Okay, space woman, both. Okay, amazing. We want to reach the moon. That is our target. But for when we reach all-time high here, we don't know where is the moon. Okay, I hope lah that the explanation is easy for you guys to grasp lah. I hope. Okay, if it isn't, miss, let me know. I'll give you guys another explanation. But don't worry. I also have one more opportunity that I want to share with you guys. Euro USD. So same thing. This is a potential buying opportunity, guys. This is not die buying opportunity. Potential, and this is the target. This is basically our moon. Okay, this is our rocket ship getting ready. This is the moon that I'm personally aiming for. So what I'm waiting for right now, same concept, very same concept. Ready to price come back inside this range. I want to wait for my other conferences all to play out. I want to see if I'm really seeing bullish momentum kick in prior to potentially aiming for a buying opportunity to the moon. Basically, where's the moon? This is my moon for now. In trading, I got so many moons. Okay, yeah. So that's my game plan lah. But actually, I'm just focusing on buys. That's what I want to share with you guys. I'm focusing on buying opportunities, but not yet. Also, now it's going to be what time? 11. So, do you guys think I'm going to enter the market today? Highly possibly no. There's a very high probability I might enter tomorrow, but crypto is different because crypto keep running regardless. I'm not saying forex won't run. Forex also still move, but forex slows down. Crypto kind of slows down, but we also tend to see like some powerful moves. Like you see this one, this is at 4 a.m. Look, powerful moves down. Look guys, this is what time it is. Okay, see 6 a.m. Look at this, powerful moves down. You see this one here? This powerful move up. This was at 5 a.m. So crypto moves. Forex also, but very small candles. That's now I show you guys why. So there is a potential opportunity for me to enter for crypto, but definitely not forex. So around 11 max lah. My max is 11. After 11, I'm not interested already. So most probably I won't be entering for any forex opportunities, but the crypto ones that I share with you, which I didn't give for potential buyers, but Dogecoin kind of looks promising lah for potential buy. But again, not enough data yet. I will be letting you guys know in my Instagram story. Again, if you guys want to get up to date to that, you can consider following me. I do have my Instagram handle link in the description below. So traders, I think I will end it here with all of the things that I shared with you guys. I hope if any of the trading opportunities you guys focus on what I shared yesterday, and if you take any trades, congratulations. I'm very happy for you. I hope today's live stream was insightful for you as it was for me. And remember, on the few pairings that we spoke about, where is the direction of bias that I give you guys to potentially focus on? Remember, it's not 100%. I'm also predicting same like you. Just focus on what I say and watch how the market react prior to potentially entering a trading opportunity. Okay, do feel free to share with me. So if you guys entered anything, I feel very happy like to hear that. Don't worry about winning or losing. If you guys are very scared, right, to lose as of now, I understand also. You guys can try demo, no problem. Okay, as long you guys don't have to risk anything. Only go into real account when you are really ready to tackle on the market, guys. I was on demo. Remember, I trading for 4 years. I was on demo not long enough, I think. I think the first 3 months only I went on demo. After that, I was so itchy hand. I want to go into live markets. I earned quite well, but I realized that I was gambling. I thought I was trading, but I was gambling. Then eventually I lost quite a lot, and then also blew up quite a few accounts. So, but that's a video and a story for another time, lah, which I can make and share with you guys if you guys want to know about it. Okay, my own personal trading journey story. Alright, traders, I think I'll end the live stream here. I wish you all such an amazing and beautiful rest of the day, and I'll catch you all in the very next live stream. Stay safe, traders. A very good night. Goodbye.